Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Devi and I am from class 7 and we are from Gracing School. Today our topic is about electromagnet. Today I am to say about how to generate magnet from electric. We need a battery and a copper wire and an iron nail. And to make a coil we have to wrap around the iron nail. So now I am going to fix into the battery. Pass electric current over it. As you can see here. Now it is ready. Now let me pass. As you can see here, there is electric magnetic power which can form by a battery. Thank you, DIBASH, for teaching us about electromagnet. Thank you very much.